This massive rain cloud is rushing this way. So while I'm filming this and wasting time, it's going to be raining here in about 10 minutes, so let's see what happens. I got lots of weeding to do and limbings. Limbs are everywhere. Well, it was off for 20 minutes, but the rain has come. I'm getting rained out. The mariners got rained out. Wah, wah, wah. My daisies are happy. Let's try this one. Boom. Look at that. Now that is a successful. And that's where I use the other hand to actually take it off of there. Oh well, time's up. First pass. Not bad.